Hi, my name is Justin Jones, and this is my video vlog 5. So what I'm doing this week is I'm reciting one of Albert Rios's poems backwards. So I'll do it forwards and backwards because I think both readings just reveal a lot about the poem. So the poem is called A Small Motor, and I'll go ahead and recite it here for you. The easiest sadness is a boy watching another boy walk with a barefooted girl clean. Perfect feet that kind of knows, eyes like those he's dreamed, in the dream that comes back. A boy watching another boy lucky gets an ache that is a small motor. If me there is an animal, and in that animal there is a hunger. I remember the boy watching a boy. It was me. Watching I was a little bit, the boy walking. I was both of us. That's how it felt. What I could not have, that's what I was. Inside an ache, coming as I stood, too many places. So I talked about this a little bit in my curation and on my Storify post, but I feel like reading it, front to end, it kind of starts with the conclusion of the easiest sadness is a boy watching another boy, and it kind of explains your experience or validates how that's true in Rios's life, and how throughout the poem that kind of expands upon the conclusion. And it's another thing to read it backwards, so I'll go ahead and do that now. Too many places, coming as I stood, inside an ache. That's what I was, what I could not have. That's how it felt. I was both of us, the boy walking, watching. I was a little bit. It was me, watching a boy. I remember the boy. There is a hunger, and in that animal, in me there is an animal. That is a small motor, gets an ache. A boy watching another boy lucky. In the dream that comes back, eyes like those he's dreamed. Perfect feet that kind of knows. Walk with a barefooted girl clean. Watching another boy. The easiest sadness is a boy. So I think it's kind of cool how reading it backwards kind of takes the unraveling at the end and ties it together to the conclusion of how there's a sadness, and there's a duality in these boys that he's portraying there. Um, and so I just kind of explained a little bit more in my curation. I hope you liked my vlog, and talk to you next week.